flash update for this Tuesday, and we're now at the 30th of August, 2022, and the time 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So a little bit of a lift, as you can see in the stock indices, down in the metal markets, down in the currency markets. As we step over to energy, down about $3 a barrel, getting hit very hard finally. Nat gas. I have had a signal, the longest signal, that this should be breaking, and haven't had it join in until just now. All of the grain markets under pressure. This is the hardest time of the year now in the grains. You're finished with the Pro Tour. You have an idea that the corn is the market that you've got to keep an eye on. Cotton improving in conditions a little bit, but corn didn't. Wheat, the big question is Ukrainian wheat coming to the market. And in the bean market, the crops didn't look all that bad. But you've got to bring them home. So corn harvest, well, that'll pick up now as we get into the September month. Beans are still a ways off, though they're not ready to be harvested in most areas of the country. And the cotton, well, that's going to depend a lot on just plain how the weather goes in Texas and eventually when they bring that crop home. Now, in the dollar, a little bit lower as you're seeing a bounce in a number of the currencies. When we were up near the day's highs in the euro, you were flirting with losing the embedded reading, but a number of the other currencies on this rally still look as though, to me at least, that they're in a sell mode. In the day's data that we have right now, so as we take a look, Redbook Group, they're going to come out with their sales. Case-Shiller, 20 Metro home sales, we get that. The Conference Board at 9 o'clock, they're going to come out with what their August indices look like. The JOLTS data is coming out. The European Commission's monthly economic sentiment indices, well, just go down to the bottom here. It's the worst reading in 18 months in terms of the sentiment index. And, you know, it's a surprise to a lot of people, including me, that the euro's not even down a lot more than it is. However, this is a game that's got legs to it. It's just beginning. Our central banker just told the other central banks what we're about to do in the course we're doing. Now, Europe, are they going to follow suit doing it? Hungary today, we're looking to see what their central bank does as well on interest rates. Mexico's got their next meeting coming up soon. Got a lot that you got to keep your eyes on. And here's the great part. We're coming out of the summer doldrums. After Labor Day, we're back into the season, and I could not be more excited. Now, one of the tools that I like a lot and that I try to teach all the time are pivot points. It's interesting because this morning I get emails all the time, and I'm looking at a service trying to get me to bring clients to them in the Cayman Islands. Warning sign right off the bat. What are they promoting like mad? Pivot points for currency trading. I've been telling you I've got a free course for you on this. I don't just use it on currencies. I look at it on so many markets that as I'm writing my daily updates or putting out trade recommendations for my clients, I use it to see, maybe I can reach a little more. Maybe I'm reaching too far. This market intraday is doing such and such, and I should be looking at it. 3 videos. You have pivot points if you have a good charting service on already. How you use them, well, that's what I'm going to teach you, but I'm going to teach it not just pivot points, how you use momentum with it, which the other people are not doing. Big difference. How do you get this? It's simple. It's free. That's number one. All you need to do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Go to free offers. It's there. You can also just follow me. Take your cursor right up to the top over my head. You'll see an icon appear. Give it a click. It'll take you right to that area. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day. As I said, come September, get ready for webinars with me, special reports. I'm just finishing up everything right now this week as I wrap down my own summer. Take care.